Today we're unboxing some PR. We are talking fitness apparel, some beautiful colors too, jewelry, nails, things for a beautiful day. Let's get right into it. Start off with jewelry because a girl always loves some jewelry. It's gonna be from Melinda Maria. Thank you so much for this jewelry. This ring, I'm actually wearing this ring right now. It's the bottom one. And I forgot that I had already ordered one, so I ordered another one and girl, we just, we're losing our mind. I have two of them. I got this one and I got this one. Cute. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I'll gift it to a friend. She's so simple. She's so beautiful. She could be worn. I don't think it fits on this one, but she could be worn on her own. She could be worn layered up, stacked like this. Love her. She is so beautiful. Next up, it's actually two of the same things, but one is gold, one is silver. Little hoops right here, and I'm actually gonna put them on because I just feel like you just gotta see it right there and then. There's no need for me like, hey, watch the next video to see what it looks like. Thinking cute. That is right there. That's it right there. So pretty. Beautiful. I love these. I actually have a pair like this that I wear every single day. They've got little spikes, but I wear a pair like this every single day. It's like my go-to. Like I go to the gym, I sleep in it, bathe. And next up is the same one, silver. Look at that. She's so tiny. She's so cute. But she makes a statement. She's small but mighty. I need gold and silver because it just depends on what I'm wearing. Pieces are so beautiful, so minimal. I think they're a great gift for yourself or for anybody. Like if you don't know what to get your sister or your niece, you cannot go wrong with a little Huggie. Nobody's gonna say, oh, I don't like little Huggies. Like you cannot go wrong with this simple little earring. And you most definitely cannot go wrong with this little beautiful simple ring. Perfect gifts for anybody. Anybody would love these gifts. Jewelry out of the way. We're gonna move along and do, I don't know, what should we do next? I think we should do nails. Let's go ahead and unbox the nail box. First one, I'm so excited for this one because it's so beautiful. This color, I live and breathe this color. It just looks so pretty and I love it so much. She is my favorite girl. I've talked about these shorts before because look at the booty. The booty's got that little scrunch and you know what that scrunch does. Scrunch everything together. EOS seamless shorts. They're sweat proof, meaning you go to the gym, you sweat. It's not gonna show off. That you shouldn't matter, but to me, I care. Other thing that I really like about them is the stomach area. It compresses, so it holds you in, but it doesn't make you look like the Michelin Man. As a mother of a toddler, I still have a little mom poosh. I'm insecure about that. Brings it all in, and it just looks so beautiful. And I've talked about her before. This is just a different color, and it's the same EOS seamless shorts. I want to say that these run like $22. Don't quote me on that, but I want to say that they do because they're amazingly priced. Look how pretty this color is. Oh my God, a gorgeous girl. Swap proof. I don't think I mentioned that, but if you watch my YouTube video, it's a really long video, not really long, but it explains all the things about these girls and Kamo Fitness. I do have a code for Kamo Fitness if you want to save some ching. I do have a code for Melinda Maria Jewelry as well. So if there's a code, you will find it in the caption so you can save some money because in this economy, we all trying to save some money. Same things, got the little scrunch in the booty and then their logo right here. Cannot wait to wear these two. I feel the most confident with these and my booty just looks like BBL. Like I am not playing. You could watch the other videos that I've made on these shorts with a different color, of course. Yes. Moving along, we have another Kamo Fitness order. I actually don't know what is in here. Surprise together. Oh, another beautiful color. Look at this. This is gorgeous. What a pretty color. Love it. This is the Kamo Fitness Allura V-Line legging in the color Chocolate Truffle. I do not own these leggings. I have this collection in shorts and I love them. I think it snatches my booty really nice. Not like this one. This one's like BBL effect. This one's more of the natural effect, but I love how it makes my booty look and I go to the gym in them with the shorts. Now it seems like this one has a little bit of a different design than my shorts actually because I do see a baby scrunch on here, which my shorts do not have a baby scrunch, so that makes me even more excited to try these on. Got these in a size medium. These are a size medium as well. So happy with this. I will be trying this on so that you can see what it looks like. Thing is the top. Oh, okay, this is really cute. It looks really mini, so I am a little scared little skirt because my postpartum boobies, I don't know how they're gonna do with these, but look at this. It's a little mini. We will try her on and we will see. We will see how she is. Got in a size medium. Next thing. This one I do remember what it is. It's actually the new collection, the at-home collection. So I am so excited. I've seen the girlies post about it and I'm like, I want in. And then they messaged me and I was like, yes, this is my size. Send it to me. A size small for this one, not a legging gym type of material. So I figured a small would work. Fingers crossed. I really hope that the small is not super tight and that it does work. Color is so beautiful. I didn't even love, like I am entering my color era. If you look at my closet, you'll be like, color where? Because there's no color here. Slowly. We are slowly entering a color era. Okay. That's just how it's kind of going. Top, it looks like you're wearing shorts and then you have like sweatpants in the bottom. It's just a cute little design that makes it unique. And then the bottom is actually flared. Matching top in size small as well. She's cute. This is what she looks like on. Such a beautiful color. I am wearing a long sleeve underneath, but right off the bat, I could tell you that I could have done with a medium if I wanted a more of like relaxed fit, because this is kind of like that preppy, you know, preppy tight type of fit. I could have definitely gone with a medium and I'm so excited to see what it'll look like with the full set on. New collection and it's available already, so you can go ahead and purchase it. I do have a coupon that you could save 5% and I'll go ahead and put that down in the caption. We're about to move along and talk about our nail package PR. Lastly, we have a package from Hey Hey and I'm so excited to see their designs. I don't know what designs they sent me. I've been testing out so many stuff for nails and I'm just trying to figure out what I like. I know that I like sticker nails. These are so beautiful. I think it's Love and it's Enchanted Glow. That is so cute. Look at this one. Like this is what a little peachy rose, and then this one's like a whitish kind of blue. Love semi-cured gel nail strips. So I hope that I like this one. I hope that this one works really well. It says no LED lamp needed. I might cure them under the LED light just because I have some, because right now it's telling you that you can cure it under the sun. I am not a patient person, so I might just put them under the LED light and cure them like that rather than curing them naturally under the sun. This one, oh, that's cute. It comes with a go-to remover. So I always find these and I'm like, okay, like it, and then at the end I'm like, how do I remove this? Speaking my language. That is what I got. I got these two cute nails and then I got the gel remover. So they thought about everything. They thought about putting them on and removing. So important when you think about every detail. Not my last PR. I actually do have another box that's nail stuff too. Let's see what it is. The big box, and I really don't, I know it's nail stuff, but I don't know what it's gonna be. This is from Salon Perfect. Lights things up, I see, because there's eyelashes in here too. Little natural eyelash. Okay, that's cute. A little milky pearlescent set of nails. I think the bow design is so stinking cute. It looks so elegant. More with the little gold. Perfect. I might actually use those here very soon. More press-on lashes. I'm not a big fan of lashes, but I do appreciate when I get scent lashes because it's my time to try things, you know? Try and embrace it. Nail polish, silver and green. My daughter will love that. She loves doing her nails with me. I think this one is pink or red and silver. Lastly, this is a glitter gloss. This is a top coat, so that is cute. That wraps it all for today. That is the unboxing that I had to do for this month, pretty much. I kind of just let everything roll on by and we kind of have a little bit of a mess going on, but I hope that you appreciate this video and I hope that you do go ahead and hit that follow button and let me know what you would try yourself. I cannot wait to see you in the next video.